Turkey looks pretty excited about it. Doing a little shimmy there. We're excited about the weather clearing up in time for the Thanksgiving holiday, but tomorrow for any travel plans, things are going to get a little more complicated. Today, if you're getting out of town a day early, well, that's not a bad idea, but any travel plans through the middle of the country could be affected by a storm system that will be affecting our weather tomorrow. For today, talking about a late day chance of thunderstorms in Texas. Dallas and Houston are the major travel hubs that could be impacted, though it looks like the best chance of the strongest storms will shape up just to the east and southeast of the Dallas-Fort Worth airport, which is of course a big hub for a couple different airlines there. Farther up to the north, one travel hub could be impacted by rain changing to snow. That's in Minneapolis-St. Paul, the Twin Cities airport there. Eventually, through tomorrow, picking up 4 to 6, maybe 6 to 8 inches of snow. But some other travel hubs like Chicago, Detroit, Cleveland, those are more likely to be impacted by wind and rain throughout the day tomorrow. So a high potential for any travel delays coming out of Chicago. That goes for a bright sunny day, much less when it's rainy and windy. Same thing for Detroit, Cleveland, even Cincinnati could be impacted by that. Kind of the medium category for any potential impacts around here. The roads are going to be wet. There could be some minor delays out of B&A, but I think the greater issue is going to be delays from other airports that are more significantly affected by the weather, including any flights coming in all the way from the Pacific Northwest. Portland and Seattle going to be affected by a different storm system. So not exactly ideal, but just pack your patience and be ready to deal with any potential delays. This morning, things are nice and dry. Just some high cloud cover overhead. Makes for a nice sunrise as we look to the east over downtown Nashville. The sun is still going to warm us up. Southeasterly winds also helping to warm us up. And those high clouds don't have enough water to drop any precipitation. The nearest showers way out to our west. That chance of rain is going to be moving into our neck of the woods as we head through the day tomorrow. Let's zoom in and take a look at temperatures, which are on the chilly side this morning. We're in the mid to upper 20s and the low 30s right now. 31 degrees in Nashville, just 1 degree below freezing. Mid 20s right now in Cookeville, Livingston, and Murfreesboro. Mid 30s as you head farther to the west where the clouds are just a little thicker. That does a better job of holding a bit of warmth near the ground. Temperatures are going to warm up. It's not the sun this time of year that has the major impact on our temperatures. It's wind direction. And those winds will be out of warmer direction compared to yesterday. So we'll be up to 57 by noon and 62 for a high this afternoon. About 10 degrees warmer than yesterday, despite thicker clouds moving in from the west as we head towards late afternoon and into this evening. But still dry for today. The chance of rain starts moving in from the west tonight. After midnight, maybe a few light showers west of I-65. This isn't going to amount to a whole lot. The more substantial area of rain is going to be shaping up by about this time tomorrow morning and then heading in from the west after the sun comes up. It's going to run into the very dry air of the midstate and diminish in intensity a little bit, but it's still going to be sufficient for some off and on showers, a couple non-severe thunderstorms from midday tomorrow through the afternoon into the evening and even the early overnight hours as well. Gradually, the rain is going to get pushed farther and farther to the east, and by the time the sun comes up on Thursday, just a chance of a shower east of I-65 to start the day, and then we'll be clearing out by Thursday afternoon. Total rainfall amounts aren't enough to really bust the drought, but anywhere from 1/10 of an inch to 1/2 an inch of rain, we will take whatever we can get. And there is another chance of rain on the way Sunday night into Monday. We'll keep a close eye on that one as well, but Thursday afternoon, Friday, and Saturday, all looking pretty good.
All right. We certainly do need the rain that is coming there, Paul. Thank you.